અત્યારમાં જઈને તો મસ્તી નહીં ખુલ્લી હોય. 10:30 પહેલા તો ખુલે ને આપણે થઈ જાય એગ્રોન બેસ. અત્યારમાં કોઈ નહોતું જતા How are you all? Yes, Mania, Bhavya, Heti, Harshali, Krishiv, Man, Midunesh, Moksha, Param, Ruhi, Sampurna, Shuddhanti. Everyone, good morning. How are you? How are you? Everyone fine? Okay, good. Okay, so let's your hands, close your eyes. Shubham Karonu Padhyam Arogya Dhana Sampada Deepajyotirnamosте Your hands have you okay. So kids, yesterday what we done? Yesterday we done 2 months name, that is November and December, in our notebook, right? In your notebook, yes or no? So that is November, December. Yes. So today we are going to take related one more thing, that is season. Okay. Seasons also related with the month. Yes. Month. कौन से मंथ में कौन सी सीजन आती है? Which month belongs to which season? That is today's our class work. Okay. So are you ready, kids, for today's class work? So take out your notebook. Take out your textbook, pencil, eraser, and we will do in our textbook. We will do class work in our textbook. So that is page number, I will show you. That is season. Which topic is this? Season. Okay, seasons related with the month of the year. So पूरे year में there are 3 main season and 2 small season that comes in between all these seasons. Right? So let us see the page number 33 in your textbook. Season. Summer season, winter season, and rainy season. Yes, there are 3 main seasons, that is summer, winter, and rainy season. Okay, so which season right now? Anyone know it? Then tell me. So, अभी की कौन सी सीजन चल रही है किds? That is अभी आ रही है जो, that is winter season, right? This is the time for winter season. And rainy के बाद winter season. In between rainy season and winter season one more small season is there, that is autumn season. All the leaves falling down from the tree, right? It is called autumn. autumn season में क्या होता है, सारे लीव्स होते हैं जो ग्रीन होते हैं ट्रीज के, वो सारे येलो होके गिर जाते हैं. इट इज कॉल्ड ऑटम सीजन. ओके, लेट अस सी. मैं यहाँ पर पेज पे आपको समझा रही हूँ. दैट इज ओनली you have to read and we have to only understand this page. Okay, page number 33. Please take out page number 33, everyone. I will show you textbook. In our textbook, everyone, take out page number 33. So kids, this is the page number 33. Which page is this, kids? This is page number 33 in your textbook. First of all, write down CW and today's date. Which date is today, kids? This is 2/6/26 and month is 10 month. Okay, so we will start. I will start reading this title. Let us learn about the months and seasons. What is it? All the months are here divided with seasons. यहाँ पर seasons के drawing है. देखिए everyone, this is the picture of all the seasons. They come in which month? It is also there under the picture. Here is the name of the month and here is the picture of season. Okay, this is Snow White. Snow White कौन सी सीजन में आता है किds? This is cap and muffler, right? So this both are कौन सी सीजन हुई? January and February is called winter season. WINTER, winter season. Winter season. Which season is this? These are winter season. Now this is March. March, MARCH. March में कौन सी season आएगी? This is one more season, that is small duration, comes in small duration. ये छोटी वाली season होती है, in between summer and winter season. दोनों के बीच में एक season आती है, that is called spring season. Spring season में flowers bloom होते हैं. What? Flowers bloom होते हैं. SPRING, spring. It is called spring season. It is called spring season. It is come in March month. Spring season comes in March month. Okay, every March month it is spring season. All the flowers आपके आजू बाजू देखना, March month में सारे flowers कैसे होते हैं? bloom होते हैं. Bloom means कि खिलते हैं. And atmosphere become very very sweet and fragrance उसकी अच्छी होती है, right? This is April month. April, May and June. April, May, June. That all months, 3 months have summer season. Which season is this? Summer season. Summer. Write down everyone. SUMMER. Summer season. Which season? Summer season. Okay, summer. What we feel in summer? We feel hot. क्या लगता है हमें? गर्मी लगती है. And we drink cold drinks and lemon juice and we feel cold when we go in nature और trees के नीचे बैठते तो हमें छाँव मिलती है, तो हमें अच्छा लगता है. बाहर की साइड हमें ठंडा लगता है. ये सर नो के. तो अप्रैल APRIL, MAY में, JUNE जून. दिस मंथ में कौन सी सीजन आती है? समर सीजन. नाउ we will turn on July. JULY, July. August, August. September, September. These 3 months we have which season? Yes kids, now you can understand. Yes, Earth. Very good, Earth. This is rainy season. Which pictures are there? Rainy season. So JULY, July, AUGUST, August, SEPTEMBER, September. That is all called which season? All the months come in? Yes, rainy season. RANY, rainy. RAINY, rainy season, or we also call monsoon season. Monsoon season, MONSOON, monsoon season. Okay, this is called monsoon and rainy season. And here is one more season, October month अभी चल रहा है, तो this is autumn. Which season? Autumn season. AUTUMN, autumn. Autumn season में सारे leaves गिर जाते हैं. And then comes November and December also. We have November, December, January, February, winter season. Which season? WINTER, winter season. So everyone, now you can understand, identify all the season by month. Okay, it is divided with the season with a month. Okay, so अभी कौन सा month चल रहा है? October. October month is the autumn season. Which season is this? Autumn. And then comes winter season. तब हमें ठंडी लगेगी after Diwali. Yes kids. Okay, so now understood everyone. Now page number 35. Page number 35, everyone. Take out page number 35. Kids, everyone. Okay. So now what we do? We will do here, write down CW. And today's date. Which date is today? 2/6/26 and 10 months. Now look at the summer picture. Think of a story using them. क्या करना है हमें? Think of a story using them. Summer is here and it's really hot. So many things summer has got. Sweet mangoes, ice cream, watermelons and many holidays for everyone. मीन्स की समर सीजन में क्या क्या आता है? मैंगोज, आइसक्रीम, वाटरमेलन्स एंड सो मेनी हॉलीडेज फॉर एवरीवन. एवरीवन मीन्स की सबके लिए, राइट? समर सीजन में क्या होता है? रियल वेरी हॉट, एंड समर एज अ गॉड थिंग्स. So many things summer has got. Got means की मिलती है हमें. ओके, समर में कितनी SUMMER समर सीजन में कौन सी थिंग्स मिलती है? तो वो है, चलो, now here are some things. Draw your favorite ice cream, color it. ओके, हमें यहाँ पर क्या है? This all the things we get in summer season. Okay, so this is mango. We also Also orange, this fan, hand fan. Okay, this is ice cream, watermelon and melon. And this is muskmelon. This is muskmelon or orange. This is sun, very bright, and it gives us heat. This is sunglasses we wear when we go out. Okay, and this one is orange juice. Yes, kids. So now we will draw here ice cream. So are you ready, kids? Okay. So here you have to draw one V shape. Yes, you want to do. यहाँ पर कौ line. Yes, सबने draw की everyone. Then we will draw here slant line, two slant lines, and then this slant line. So it becomes ice cream cone. This becomes cone. It is a cone. Now let us start drawing this ice cream, everyone. Do you like ice cream, kids? Yes, tell me. Yes or no? कोई आंसर नहीं दे रहा है. सब सो रहे हो क्या? Okay, you can draw here. This is ice cream. Do you like ice cream, kids? Yes. All the kids like ice cream, right? So, let us do color here. Yes, crayon color ले लीजिए everyone. So kids, are you draw the ice cream, everyone? You can color it. Okay. ब्राउन कलर हम क्या करेंगे? नीचे यहाँ पर आइसक्रीम में. ओके, इसमें दिया है वैसे ही कलर करना है. प्लीज कलर इट एवरीवन. दिस इज पिंक कलर एंड दिस इज ब्राउन कलर. व्हाइट कलर छोड़ दीजिए ऐसे ही. ओके, यस और नो किड्स? चलो डू इट फास्ट. यस, कौन में ब्राउन, लाइट ब्राउन कलर. कौन कैसा होता है? लाइट ब्राउन. चलो जस्ट डू फास्ट बेटा. वी हैव अनदर पेज. So everyone color it properly. Pink color, brown color and dark brown and light brown. Okay. So kids, are you done your coloring? Yes or no? Please do fast. मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ. Everyone, are you done your coloring? Because मैं नहीं करने वाली हूँ. कलर आपको ही करना है. Yes, everyone. This is pink color, brown color, light brown color. Okay? Yes, kids. Now, everyone, just done your work. Kids, are you done your work? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. Thank you, beta. So now we will start next page. Just turn your page, everyone. Color में ज़्यादा time नहीं लगाना है बेटा. This is our next page. It is a picture about holidays, right? जब हम जहाँ पर holidays मना सकते हैं, वो how to spend your holiday summer season, how to spend what things we do during our summer holidays. Okay, look at some of the things we do during our summer holidays. Okay, तो उसमें आपको क्या करना है? So, first of all, write down here CW and today's date. Again, write down 26, 10 and 21. Okay, which day is today? Today is a Tuesday. 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 Tuesday is the second day of the week. Okay, so let us look at some of the things we do during our summer holidays. यहाँ पर जो सारी things है, we do when we do during our summer holidays. Okay, so visit our grandparents. Yes or no? Visit. अगर आपके grandparents are far from you in another city, then we or you can go and meet them, right? Now next is go to a summer camp. Go to a summer camp. Okay, we have summer camp right in many cities. So there are so many rides, there are so many जो games होती है, and that is also okay, activities are there, or we have trekking, right, in summer camp. So go to a summer camp. If you want to go with family, then go with family and friends. And अगर स्कूल की होती है तो स्कूल में भी जाते हैं समर कैंप में. Yes or no? Our school also has many times summer camp. That you know, kids. हमारे स्कूल में भी समर कैंप होता है. बिग स्कूल थी तो वहाँ पर बहुत बिग वन समर कैंप था, तो वो भी 1 day का था फुल. ओके, so it is very interesting activities that we done for our better growth, right? ये जो होती है एक्टिविटी समर कैंप में, वो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है, हमारे बॉडी के ग्रो के लिए अच्छी होती है, हमारा माइंड स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है, राइट? तो समर कैंप इज वेरी good activity. Go to a summer camp. Okay, so you can also go for that. Okay, so go to a beach. BEACH. यहाँ पर कौन सा ये है? ये दोनों लेटर्स है, वो है डायाग्राफ. ओके, डायाग्राफ साउंड. ओके, So this is also a very nice place to go for beach. Go to a beach means कि वहाँ पर एक तो पानी होता है, वहाँ पर स्विमिंग भी हो जाता है, एंड देन वी ऑल्सो प्ले विथ सैंड, राइट. सैंड कैसल बना सकते हैं, एंड देन स्पेड एंड बकेट एंड ऑल द अदर थिंग्स से आप लोग खेल सकते हो, या फिर बॉल लेके फिर खेल सकते हैं, राइट. सो इट इज वेरी नाइस प्लेस, एंड दिस इज यस, एंड दिस इज लर्न टू स्विम. आप लर्न भी कर सकते हो स्विमिंग का क्लास ज्वाइन करके, यस, एंड ऑल्सो डांस क्लास, स्विमिंग क्लास. सो दिस इज समर हॉलीडेज. ओके, वो बिग वाला वेकेशन होता है समर हॉलीडेज में. अभी दिवाली का वेकेशन थोड़ा स्मॉल होता है, छोटा होता है, बट समर हॉलीडेज बहुत लंबे होते हैं, ज्यादा होते हैं. तो वी कैन अरेंज लाइक लर्न टू स्विम. यस किड्स, नाउ दिस इज लर्न टू स्केट. आप स्केट क्लास ज्वाइन करके या फिर घर पे भी स्केटिंग सीख सकते हो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पेरेंट्स, इन द ओके. आप मम्मी पापा की अंडर आप कर सकते हो. यस, यू कैन ऑल्सो एंजॉय दिस स्केटिंग. आपको आ जाए बाद में बहुत मजा आता है ऑल द थिंग्स, राइट किड्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लर्न टू पेंट. ओके, घर पे भी आप पेंट कर सकते हो मम्मी पापा के साथ, या फिर यू कैन जॉइन ड्राइंग क्लास ऑल्सो, राइट. ड्राइंग क्लास भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. सो ऑल द थिंग्स, all the activities are very important for our development, for our mind and for our body के grow के लिए भी अच्छी है all the exercise, right. mind and body का combination होता है. यहाँ पर स्विमिंग करे तो वो बॉडी के लिए अच्छा है. yes, हमारे all the body parts become healthy. okay, क्या होते हैं, हेल्दी रहते हैं, राइट. सो ऑल द एक्टिविटीज आर वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस. यस, यू कैन ऑल्सो विजिट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हाउस. ओके, तो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स में आपको नाना नानी भी आ जाते हैं. मामा के घर जाते हो ना किड्स, यस और नो. सो इट इज all the things we can do in summer holidays. okay, summer holidays में हम ये सारी एक्टिविटीज अरेंज कर सकते हैं. आपको जिसमें इंटरेस्ट हो ऐसे कर सकते हैं. yes or no kids? so it is very good part of our life. it become good memories. it become we learn new things, right. in all the summer holidays you can learn one thing. one time आप एक हॉलीडे मिला तो आप स्विमिंग सीख सकते हो, दूसरा हॉलीडे मिला तो आप दूसरे ईयर में समर हॉलीडेज में स्केटिंग सीख सकते हो, एंड वन बाय वन all the activities you can learn, right, and you also get enjoyment out of it, right. इसमें से आपको एंजॉयमेंट भी मिलेगा, एंड देन आपका ग्रो भी होगा अच्छे से. यस और नो किड्स? सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. सो इट इज अ सीजन विथ सीजन, राइट. all the topics with our season and month. okay, and this is your class work everyone. This is your homework 37. and this is also your homework 38. okay everyone, it is rainy season. which season is this? rainy season. yes, this one is also rainy season. it is a rainbow. आपको इसमें कलर करना है. you can color it with crayon. okay, or you can use your ओके, वाटर कलर भी कर सकते हो. यस, ओके किड्स. नाउ ओके किड्स, Everyone understand? Are you done your class work, everyone? तो हमारे 2 pages थे वो explanation के थे and 1 page is for your drawing and coloring. Okay? So are you done?
ना जाती तो cool.
Yes, very good, beta. Sampurna. Good. Yes, very nice, beta. Okay. तो ये दिवाली हॉलीडे में आप क्या करने वाले हो? Okay, आप मुझे बताना. Okay? Okay, so everyone. क्या your class work? Okay. पूर्व दिखाओ बेटा. दिखा रहे थे मुझे. दिखाओ. पूर्व. Yes. Very good बेटा. Yes. Good. Very nice. Okay. So everyone, till then, namaskar.
कहीं पर आप आगे ना करो करो पर.
Thank you everyone. Thank you. Namaskar बच्चा. नमस्कार दिया, पूर्व, सुतन्वी, संपूर्णा. Bye bye everyone. पूर्व. Bye आरना. और भव्या, धार्मिक, हर्षाली. Everyone goodbye and Jerry, Sevir Singh, Krishti, Mahia, Midunesh, Param. Everyone bye bye. See you.